using my NARS foundation in Punjab, and today we're looking for full coverage. This is my favorite foundation because it's just such a good finish. It's a natural finish, but it covers flawlessly. Now that that's all blended, we're gonna set that obviously with the RIMMEL Stay Matte. Now I'm gonna go on straight to my brows. Next, I'm going to go in with the ColourPop Golden State of Mind palette, and I'm going to be taking this color right here. It's called Tinker Time, and I'm going to put that on the bottom part of my eyelids, just with my finger. I find that with this palette, the color payoff is the best when I'm using my finger. So I'm just going to put a little bit on right here, and look at that. Then I'm taking Puree right here in the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, and I'm going to blend that in with the rest of my lid. Then I'm going to take some on my finger and I'm going to go in on the bottom part of my lash line. And then I'm going to go back in with Tinker Time and do the same thing on the bottom lash line as well. To make this look really pop in our eyes, I'm going to be taking this lighter pink shade right here. It's called Unsupervised, and I'm going to put that into the inner corners. Now I'm taking the Kat Von D tattoo liner, and I'm going to just create a wing. Next, I'm going to be putting on some falsies, and I'm using the Dew Lashes. Yay! Okay, so now let's start bronzing our face up. And I'm using the NARS Laguna bronzer. And I'm kind of going to go ham on the bronzer today. Next, I'm going to take this flat brush here, and I'm going to use this to contour my nose. So I'm starting right where my brow kind of starts, and then moving it down. Okay, now that we kind of have the shape, we are going to blend that out with a fluffier brush. Now I'm going to go in with blush. I'm going to be using two today. So this one is the Tarte Party Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush. And then this one is the Givenchy Healthy Glow Powder. Next, I'm going to take the Tarte one, and I'm just going to go right on top. Now I'm going to be adding some fake freckles on my face. I just think it's going to look super cute with the look. So what I'm doing, I'm going to be using a combination of these two brushes, but I want to have different shapes to really make sure that it looks more natural and real. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to take a makeup wipe. This is the Face Shop Chia Seed ones. I've been loving the Face Shop's face wipes, by the way, but I'm going to take a cleansing wipe, and then I'm just going to kind of like wipe the brushes to make them a little bit more moist, and this will make the eyeshadow that I'm actually going to be using to create the freckles a lot more prominent on my face. So I'm actually going to go in with the e.l.f. Matte for Matte palette, and I'm going to be using this shade right here to create the freckles. And first I'm going to start with the bigger brush, and I'm just going to go right in. I'm just going to start dotting my face. Then with the smaller brush, I'm actually going to go in with my NARS Laguna bronzer, and I'm going to create some more dots. And having these two colors will really make sure that the freckles look a lot more blended. Hope you guys can see. Okay, last thing is lips. First, I'm gonna do my base with the Creamy Touch lip liner from the Face Shop. I am overlining a teeny bit, just to make the lips look a little bit more full. Then I'm going to be going in with ColourPop's Layover. And that is the final look. Okay guys, that's about it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this Instagram baddie makeup look. Please like and subscribe, and you can also follow me on Instagram. It's @StephanieOn. See you guys next time. Bye!